Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're taking a look at the Naztech Power Delivery 10,000 milliamp battery. This has 18 watts of PD fast charging capabilities. It's basically 28 extra hours of battery life in this 10,000 milliamp version. It has USB-A and USB Type-C. So there's the two connections right here, and we'll show you that on the battery itself. Right here. So here's the USB Type-C, USB Type-A, and microUSB. This is to charge the battery. You can also use this to charge the battery, and this charges devices at fast speed. So here's some more details about the battery. You can pause the video anytime and take a look at the details. Now you can find this Naztech battery available on the Mobile Edge website. There's a button on the side. Once you press it, that will show you your charge level. So this is at half. It has 4 LEDs. So it comes pre-charged up to half, so that's nice. It has a premium finish on the outside. It's like fabric. And then on the bottom, it tells you what's going on with the battery and some of the details, but we'll have that in the description below. And then at the top of all the ports as well, there's some more details that are etched into the fabric. So there you go. This is a QuickCharge enabled right here. And you have your USB Type-C, which is power delivery enabled, which shows on the front. And that is at full 18 watts. So it will definitely fast charge most of your devices. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, thumbs up.